Hello everyone, welcome to tonight's Hamster Kombat daily cipher. Alright, as you can see, something is actually loading on Dawn. Alright, so without wasting our time, let's click on the daily cipher panel. Then we begin to crack our daily cipher one after the other. So the first letter for tonight is F, which is short, long, short for F. And the next letter is U, which is short, long. And the last letter is D, which is long, short. Alright, so that forms food. So take a prize. Alright, so well done.